Hello everyone! Like how did you saw in our previous video, we have for sale new type of product from the smart home series. We are talking about the smart light switch, the type of switch what can be operated by your hand, because the surface is from glass and it's touch screen. Also you can operate from the smartphone, and also you can operate helping your smart assistant Alexa stop by voice. Okay, first of one, I will use today for the installation of this switch two type tools, two type of screwdrivers. I will use the switch light and the manual instruction what you have in every box. First of all, you must to know that by your security the light must be turned off from the control panel, from the electrical control panel, because it's very dangerous to work to don't switch off. Okay, first of one, what we must do, we must to take off the cover of the smart light switch. Here in the we have two pieces. We put the screwdriver and we take off the cover. Okay, the next step, we must detect which wire is positive and which wire is negative, because how you will see in the back of the light switch, you will see we have the connection, the way for the live, for the positive wire, and the connection for the wire, the negative wire, what is going to the lamp, to the bulb, to the light. Okay, I will detect which one is positive and which wire is negative. Okay, this one is positive because the light is on, and this one it's negative. Now, the negative wire we will connect here, how I already said. Okay. For my tying, I will use another screwdriver. Okay, it's in order. And the next wire will be the positive one. Okay, now how we see the blue light is blinking. This is the light what is mean the smart light switch is ready for installation. This is the light for the internet connection, for the Wi-Fi connection. Now I will put this cover back. Okay. Let's see. Okay. You see, the system was resetted, and now the light is blinking not so fast like before. We will use the instruction manual for doing the pairing, let's say like that, the smart switch to our smartphone, where you must already have the application for the smartphone already installed. You can scan this barcode and you can install automatic the application for your smartphone. Normally, by this instruction, you will have access to the Smart Life application. I use Tuya Smart application. Okay, here how we see, I have already two switches installed, and now I will pair one more switch. So now we must press plus. Here is add device, and we must choose what type of switch of the smart we have to install. In our case, we're talking about the switch, and it's Smart switch Wi-Fi. Yes. The application is asking on which network Wi-Fi will be connected this switch. I already have my Wi-Fi network here. We are going to connect. The application is asking if the light is blinking on the switch, and yes, the light is blinking. So we need to confirm the indicator is blinking, and the application is asking how fast is blinking our light. How did you saw before was blinking faster when I connected the switch, but now after put it back the cover, the glass cover, our light is blinking not so fast. So I will choose blinking slowly. Okay, for do the pairing, the smartphone, the application asking to connect our Wi-Fi system from the smartphone to the connection for the smart switch. We are going to the Wi-Fi, and we can find here Smart Life switch. Smart Life. We are connecting to this network. It's already connected. We are going back to the application, to the app, and now it's going pairing.
I found office light from the Tuya Smart skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off office light.
Okay, here we can connect, when it's connected, we can rename this type of connection how we want. I put the name office light. It's finished, done, and now let's see how it's working. Switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. Okay, now like manual. Okay, and also now let's see how it works by voice control. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
It's office light. Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.